मी प्राध्यापक NM मोरे. Welcome to my video. In the previous video, we seen about male puberty, female puberty, human menstrual cycle, spermatogenesis, and structure of human sperm. Now, in this video, we will see about oogenesis and structure of secondary oocyte. Okay. First of all, we see about oogenesis. Oogenesis is the process of formation of haploid female gamete, that is ova or egg, from diploid primary germinal epithelial cells of ovary. It involves meiosis and mitosis. Like the spermatogenesis, oogenesis can be divided into three stages, namely multiplication stage, growth stage, and maturation stage. In multiplication stage, primary germinal epithelial cells of ovary undergoes repeated mitotic divisions and to produce millions of oogonia. Each oogonia is diploid, having two sets of chromosomes, that is 46 chromosomes. Then growth phase. In this phase, some of the oogonia stop their division and begins to grow in size and to form primary oocyte. It is also diploid in nature, having 46 chromosomes. In this phase, number of mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi bodies are increased. Then maturation phase. It involves meiosis or reduction division. In this phase, primary oocyte undergoes meiosis first and to form two haploid daughter cells having 23 chromosomes of each cell. In this division, nuclear division is equal, but cytoplasmic division is unequal, and as a result, two unequal daughter cells are formed. Of these, larger one cell is called secondary oocyte, and smaller one cell is called first polar body. First polar body does not enter the meiosis second. Then secondary oocyte undergoes meiosis second and to form two unequal cells. But it is arrested at metaphase second. At this stage, secondary oocyte is released from ovary and received by oviduct. It is completed in the ampulla of fallopian tube at the time of fertilization. In this division, also two unequal cells are formed. Larger one is called ovum and smaller ones called second polar bodies. Now this ovum is formed, acts as a functional female gamete and ready for fertilization. Okay. Then we see about the structure of secondary oocyte or unfertilized egg. In human being, secondary oocyte is microlecythal, means little yolk is present and which is uniformly distributed in the cytoplasm. Yolk means reserve food material. It is without cell, means protective covering around it is absent. It is measured above 0.1 mm or 100 micron in size and somewhat spherical rounded structure, non-motile haploid body. It encloses a cytoplasm called ooplasm containing a nucleus called germinal vesicle. A typical nucleus or pronucleus is formed at the time of fertilization. Unfertilized egg is surrounded by prominent zona pellucida, Zona pellucida is surrounded by corona radiata cells. These are corona radiata cells. These cells are derived from innermost layer of membrana granulosa, and inner to zona pellucida a vitelline membrane is present, and this is egg membrane. It is very thin. A space lies between vitelline membrane and zona pellucida is called perivitelline space. This is perivitelline space. Here first polar body is located. Secondary oocyte shows polarity. The side having germinal vesicle and first polar body is called animal pole, and opposite to it is called vegetal pole. So in this video we seen about the process of oogenesis and structure of secondary oocyte. Okay.